Hey, welcome back to another video of Brainwaves where we explore the fascinating world of psychology and how it can help you improve your life. Today, we're going to talk about 5 psychological tips to make others like you instantly. Yes, you heard that right, instantly. Whether you want to make new friends, impress your boss, or get a date, these tips will help you boost your charisma and likability in no time. But before we dive into the tips, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It really helps us out a lot. Alright, let's get started. Tip number 1, smile. The simplest, yet most important, tip to make others like you instantly is to smile. Studies have consistently shown that people are more likely to choose a photo of someone smiling as opposed to someone who is not. Smiling shows that you are open to others and inviting. It also makes you look more attractive, confident, and happy. And who doesn't want to be around someone like that? But don't just smile with your mouth. Smile with your eyes too. This is called a Duchenne smile, and it's a genuine expression of positive emotion. A fake smile, on the other hand, can be detected by others and make you seem insincere or creepy. So practice smiling in front of a mirror until you get it right. And if you're wondering how to smile with your eyes, just think of something funny or pleasant. Like this joke, what do you call a fish wearing a bow tie? Sophisticated. Tip number 2, mirror. Another psychological trick to make others like you instantly is to mirror their behavior. This means subtly copying their body language, gestures, facial expressions, tone of voice, and even words. This strategy is called mirroring, and it creates a sense of rapport and trust between you and the other person. Mirroring works because it signals that you are paying attention to them and that you are on the same wavelength. It also makes them feel more comfortable and relaxed around you. But be careful not to overdo it or make it obvious. You don't want to look like a parrot or a stalker. Just match their general vibe and energy level. Tip number 3, compliment. Who doesn't love a sincere compliment? Complimenting others is a great way to make them like you instantly because it shows that you appreciate them and notice their positive qualities. It also boosts their self-esteem and makes them feel good about themselves. But don't just compliment them on their appearance or skills. Compliment them on their personality, values, or actions. For example, instead of saying, "You look nice today," say, "You have a great sense of style," or "You always brighten up my day." And instead of saying, "You're good at math," say, "You have a brilliant mind," or "You're very dedicated to your studies." Also, make sure your compliments are genuine and specific. Don't say something that you don't mean or that sounds generic or vague. For example, instead of saying, "You have beautiful eyes," say, "You have beautiful eyes, are they contacts?" or, "You have beautiful eyes, can I borrow them?" Tip number 4, reveal. One of the best ways to make others like you instantly is to reveal something about yourself that makes you vulnerable or human. This could be a personal story, a weakness, a flaw, or a mistake. This strategy is called self-disclosure, and it helps you build trust and intimacy with the other person. Self-disclosure works because it shows that you are not afraid to be yourself and that you are willing to share something that most people would hide. It also makes you more relatable and authentic. And it invites the other person to open up as well. But don't reveal too much too soon or too often. You don't want to overshare or come across as needy or insecure. Just share enough to create a connection and spark curiosity. For example, you could say something like, "I'm really bad at cooking. One time I tried to make a cake and it exploded in the oven," or "I have a weird phobia of clowns. They freak me out so much." And then laugh at yourself and make a joke out of it. Tip number 5, ask. The final psychological tip to make others like you instantly is to ask them questions about themselves. People love talking about themselves because it activates the same brain regions that are associated with pleasure and reward. And when they talk about themselves with you, they associate those positive feelings with you. Asking questions also shows that you are interested in them and that you care about what they have to say. It also gives them an opportunity to express themselves and share their opinions, experiences, and emotions. And it helps you learn more about them and find common ground. But don't just ask any questions. Ask open-ended questions that require more than a yes or no answer. For example, instead of asking, "Do you like movies?" ask, "What kind of movies do you like and why?" Or, "What's the last movie you watched and how did you feel about it?" And don't forget to listen actively and respond appropriately. And don't be afraid to ask some funny or quirky questions too. For example, you could ask, "If you could have any superpower, what would it be and why?" Or, "If you were stranded on a deserted island, what 3 things would you bring with you?" These questions can make the conversation more fun and interesting. There you have it, 5 psychological tips to make others like you instantly. Try them out and see how they work for you. And remember, the key to making others like you is to be yourself and to treat them with respect and kindness. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you want to learn more about psychology and how it can help you improve your life, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Until next time, stay smart and stay happy.